I'm Dane. We're going to be doing another cat video today. So, let's go do it right now. I gotta do my cat real quick. In the dining room, we'll update the traditional looking fireplace and create a designated dining area and a bonus sink.
You mentioned that you have $80,000 to tackle this project.
When are we looking at for timeline?
3 weeks. This is my cat. Look at the kitty.
3 weeks?
Okay.
We can type, but we can do it.
Catherine's summer break is almost over, so we have to get this one done on time. I think we need to focus on making this house a match, the two of you.